US stocks to remain boosted on hope of breakthrough Covid-19 treatment. So guys, do you remember late last week, stocks had been pushing to the upside over the course of sort of Thursday and Friday, okay? Why was that? Because there was some studies suggesting that Gilead Sciences, one of their drugs known as Remdesivir, is known to be treating patients very well with, the symptoms of respiratory difficulties, fever, so on and so forth. And it was found to be effective with a small study, but it was yet to be proven to be conclusive. Now, in the latest week, we've just seen reports that are coming out from China, okay, that suggested the government had been conducting these trials as well on patients with that Remdesivir drug, and it was found to be ineffective. Okay, now that saw a bit of safe haven flow, stocks came off again. Okay, so a bit of yo-yo of movement on optimism and then water thrown upon that optimism from Chinese government studies. But then, in the latest week, okay, on Friday, Gilead Sciences disputed these claims of this report that Chinese government conducted the trial with their Remdesivir drug, which was proven to be ineffective. Gilead Sciences disputed that and disagreed, which then again saw some upside with stocks, which was helped on by a lead study investigator. So someone in the United States that are actually leading the way with the study of on patients with Covid-19 and testing out this Remdesivir drug, and it has been suggested to be showing promising signs, and they could have yielding positive results as early as May. So just literally that's next month, in the next sort of week or so, which again, you would have seen US stock indices had a solid finish on Friday, a decent close to the week. And if you look on a technical base, you'll see in this blog below, does look to be shaping up of a bullish flag structure. We had a brief fake out, suck back within, and then now making way for extended moves to the upside. And I believe this is very much being driven by this optimism, this drug. This drug is certainly a game changer potentially in terms of the trend for stocks, and we can perhaps get that recovery and maybe return to pre-bear market levels, when the market started to tumble as Covid-19 virus spread across globally and really rippled the financial markets. What does this mean for FX? Well, perhaps we could start to see a bit of further recovery, because we have seen somewhat of a being staged for the riskier currencies, AUD particularly, NZD, CAD, all these riskier currencies in FX, and maybe the dollar starts to lose a little bit of ground, because bear in mind it had been pumping when the Covid-19 situation was really getting bad, and it's been deemed as a safe haven, so maybe it could lose a little bit of that status, but particular focus on those US indices. Other than that, guys, baby, we do this every single day at freaknetwork.io. Do not hesitate to check out our membership. We've also got offers going on with our brokers, so you can get parts of our service, if not our courses, for free. Other than that, let's stay lit. Let's get it.